Hello children, good morning. Now I am going to tell you some good habits, okay? I know you are a good children, okay? You all have good habits, okay? But I will recap, okay? I will tell you again, okay? See, early in the morning after waking, what you have to do? You have to first immediately you have to brush your teeth. Yes or no? You have to brush your teeth neatly. Okay? You have to brush your teeth neatly. That is one good habit. After that, what you have to do? You have to bath. You have to take bath. Okay? You have to take bath. After that, what you have to do? You have to comb your hair. What you have to do? You have to comb your hair. Okay? After that, you have to wear neat clothes. Okay? You have to wear neat washed clothes. Neat washed ironed clothes. Okay? Okay? You have to wear neat clothes. Okay? After that, your mama will give you milk. Okay? Your mama will give you milk. You drink milk. Okay? Without first, you have to drink your milk. Okay? Drink milk. After that, you have to wear your shoes. Okay? You take your mother's help, your mama's help, and wear your shoes. Okay? Wear your shoes, and after that you pack your bag. Okay? After that, you pack your bag by yourself. Okay? You pack your bag by yourself, and you should come to school. By doing all this, after doing all this, you will come to school. Okay? You will come to school. After packing bag, you will come to school. You should come to school without any fuss. Okay? You should come to school without crying. You should not cry to come to school. Yes or no? That is a good habit. Okay? That is a good habit. There, teacher will make you learn all good things. Okay? Okay? You should come to school without crying. Okay? That is a good habit. Okay? Brushing, bathing, combing, dressing neatly, drinking milk, doing all this, wearing shoes, packing your bag by yourself, all these are good habits. Okay? Finally, what you have to do? You have to sleep early. Okay? You have to go to bed early and wake early in the morning. Okay? You have to sleep early and wake early. Okay? That is one more good habit. Okay? You have to eat vegetables. Okay? Eat fruits and vegetables. You should not eat junk food. Okay? These all are good habits. Okay? You should listen to your parents. You should listen to your teacher. Okay? You should listen to your parents. You should listen to your teachers. Okay? Now, always you should sleep early. Okay? You should sleep early and wake early. Okay? Now, you should sleep early and wake early. Now here. Now some more good habits. Okay? We'll see some more good habits. Okay? This is a way you come to school. This you will do before coming to school. Okay? These are you will do before coming to school. These are all good habits. Okay? Now I'll tell you some more good habits. Okay? What are those? If you meet anybody. Okay? If you meet anybody, what will you say? Hello. Yes or no? If you meet anybody, you will say hello. Okay? Hi, hello, you will say. Okay? Or namaste. If you meet elders, you will say namaste. Okay? Namaste. Hello, if you meet your friends, you say hello, hi. Okay? If you meet elders, you say namaste. If you meet your teachers in the morning, what will you say? Good morning. What will you say? Good morning, teacher. Yes or no? You will say good morning. Okay? if you meet anybody in the afternoon, afternoon means after lunch. You will eat lunch, no? After that, it is afternoon. If you meet anybody in the afternoon, if you meet your teacher in the afternoon, after lunch, you should say good afternoon. Okay? Good afternoon. Okay? Good afternoon. Now see, if you meet anybody in the evening, evening means after going home. After going home, after school you will go to home, no? That is evening. Okay? If you meet anybody in the evening, what will you say? Good evening. Okay? You will say good evening. Okay? Good evening. Now see, while sleeping, what will you say, ma? While sleeping, you will say good night. You will say good night to your mother. Good night, papa. Good night, mama. You will say yes or no? You will say good night, mama. Good night, papa. And you will sleep. Okay? This is a good night. Okay? Now, if you sneeze, okay? Hutch. If you sneeze, hutch. You have to keep a napkin. You should cover your nose and mouth with a napkin. Okay? You should always hold the napkin in your hands. Okay? You should always, if you go out, you have to carry the napkin. Okay? You have to carry handkerchief. Okay? And if you get sneezing, how will you sneeze? You have to cover your nose and mouth and sneeze. And you should say excuse me. Okay? You should say, if you sneeze, hutch. You should say excuse me. Okay? You should say excuse me. Okay? Okay? Now, if somebody is on your way, if you are going like this, if somebody is on your way, what will you say? You have to say, excuse me, please move. Then they will move like this and you will go. Okay? They will move like this and you will go. You should ask them. Should not push or you should not push them. Okay? You should not push them and go. You should ask them, excuse me, please move. They will move from your side and you can go. Okay? Should ask politely. Okay? That is a good habit. Okay? Now please, if you want something, if you want a pencil from your friend, if you want to ask pencil from your friend, how will you ask? Please give me pencil. Okay? Please give me pencil. Please. You have to use please. If you want to ask anything, you should ask like this. Please. Okay? You should use please. Okay? Please give me pencil. Okay? Now, sorry. Sorry means if you hurt someone. Okay? If you hurt someone. By mistakenly, if you hurt someone. If you beat someone. If you hurt someone. Okay? By mistakenly also. If you step on your friend's feet. Okay? If you step on your friend's feet by mistakenly, what will you say? You have to say sorry. Okay? You have to say sorry. Okay? You should say sorry. Okay? Thank you. If anybody will give you a gift. Okay? If anybody will give you a gift. Suppose your mama will give you a gift. Okay? Suppose your mama will give you a gift. What will you say? You should not take simply, you should not take like that only. You should say, thank you, mama. And you should take the gift. Okay? If anybody will give you a gift, what will you say? Thank you. Okay? If anybody will give you gift, you should say thank you. And when will you say thank you? If anybody praise you, okay, you got a you did a nice coloring. Okay, you did a nice coloring. Okay, you did a nice coloring. Your teacher will say, oh wow, your drawing is nice. Your teacher will say like that. Then what you have to say? Thank you, teacher. Okay. You should use thank you. Okay. If anybody praise you also, you should say thank you. If anybody will give you gift also, you should say thank you. Okay. Now, these I will show you in your book. Okay, this I'll show you in your book. Now see here. This is the way you go to school. See, good habits help. See here, ma. This is World Around Me book, page number 70, 1770. Good habits help us every day. Trace along the dotted lines with a red crayon. Okay, you trace afterwards. This is your homework. I'll explain now. See, this girl is brushing here. Yes, brushing, bathing, combing, after that wearing neat clothes, after that drinking milk, after that wearing shoes. Okay, after that they pack their bag and they are going to school. How they are going to school? See here, they will go like this. Sing to the children. Okay, let's get ready. This is the way. I'll sing a rhyme, this rhyme for you. Okay, here we go down the mulberry bush, mulberry bush, mulberry bush. Here we go down the mulberry bush so early in the morning. Here we go down the mulberry bush, mulberry bush, mulberry bush. Here we go down the mulberry bush so early in the morning. This is the way we brush our teeth, brush our teeth, brush our teeth. This is the way we brush our teeth so early in the morning. Here we go down the mulberry bush, mulberry bush, mulberry bush. Here we go down the mulberry bush so early in the morning. This is the way we bath every day, bath every day, bath every day. This is the way we bath every day so early in the morning. Here we go down the mulberry bush, mulberry bush, mulberry bush. Here we go down the mulberry bush so early in the morning. This is the way we comb our hair, comb our hair, comb our hair. This is the way we comb our hair so early in the morning. This is the way we drink our milk, drink our milk, drink our milk. This is the way we drink our milk so early in the morning. Here we go down the mulberry bush, mulberry bush, mulberry bush. Here we go down the mulberry bush so early in the morning. This is the way we go to school, go to school, go to school. This is the way we go to school so early in the morning. Okay, children. Okay. Hope you enjoyed the rhyme. Okay. Okay. Hope you all understood the good habits. Okay. Good habits. And these are the good habits. Before you will go to school, you have to follow all these good habits. Okay. These are the good habits. Now look here. Page number 90. World Around Me. Page number 90. Now look here. Here. Learn more good habits with Mr. Bear. Okay. Read to the children. We must wish and greet everyone politely. I already told you, no? See here. What is the bear is doing here? They are saying hello. Hello to each other. They are saying hello to each other. See here. Good morning. Okay. He is waking and saying good morning. Here, afternoon. Afternoon, he is pouring water to plants and he is saying good afternoon. Okay. Here in the evening. Evening, you have to say good evening. The teddy bear is saying good evening. Now, the bear is sleeping. The bear is going to sleep. He is saying good night. Good night. See here. Hachu. Children, let's learn some more good habits with Mr. Bear. Okay, let's learn some more good habits with Mr. Bear. Okay, we'll see. Open the World Around Me book, page number 90. Okay, page number 90. See, let's learn to greet. Let's learn to greet. How to greet others, we'll learn here with Mr. Bear. Okay, With Mr. Bear, we'll learn how to greet others. Okay. Now, learn good habits with Mr. Bear. We'll learn some more good habits with Mr. Bear. Okay. We must wish and greet everyone politely. We must greet everyone with politely and softly, gently. You have to talk softly with others. Okay. You should not shout. Okay. Should not shout. You should wish and greet everyone politely, softly. Okay. Good morning. Like this. Hello. Okay. You should greet like that. See here what is Mr. Bear is doing. Mr. Bear met his friend. Okay. Mr. Bear met his friend. What is saying? He's saying hello. Okay. He's saying hello. Here. After waking, what is the Mr. Bear is doing? He's saying good morning. Okay. He's saying good morning. Afternoon, what is saying? Mr. Bear is saying good afternoon. Afternoon, he is saying good afternoon. Evening, what he is saying? He is saying good evening. Okay? He is saying good evening. Good evening. See? Night here. Can you see the moon here? It is a night. It is a night. Now you should say good night. Okay? You should say good night. Okay? When you go to sleep, what will you say, ma? While going to sleep, you should say good night to your mother, father, and you have to sleep. You should say good night to your mama, papa, and you should say good night, mama, good night, papa, and you have to go to sleep. That is a good habit. After coming to class, you should wish good morning to your teacher. Should wish good morning to your teacher. Okay. After waking, immediately you have to say good morning to your parents. Good morning to your brother, sister, everyone. Okay. After coming to school, you should wish your teacher good morning. Okay. These all are good habits. The bear is doing all these. Okay. The bear is a good bear. See how good habits the bear have. You also have good habits now? Yes or no? You also have good habits, I know. Okay. Now see here. What is the bear is doing here? What is the bear? The bear is sneezing. Hachoo. Hachoo. Okay. The bear is sneezing. And the bear is covering his nose with napkin. Okay. The bear is covering his nose with handkerchief. Okay. Covering like this. And he is saying, excuse me. Hach. Excuse me. Okay. After sneezing, immediately you should say, excuse me. Okay. You should say, excuse me. See here. If you want something, how will you ask? Please. You should use please. You should use word please. Okay. Please give me. Please give me. After receiving that thing, what you have to say? Thank you. Say please when you want something and thank you when you receive it. Okay. If you want to ask pencil from your friend, okay, ask please give me pencil. You have to ask please give me pencil. He will give you pencil. Then after receiving the pencil, what you have to say? You have to say thank you. Okay. You have to say thank you. Okay na? Okay, thank you. You should say thank you. If you hurt someone also, you should say sorry. Okay. If you hurt someone, you should say sorry. Okay. These are all magical words. Okay. You should use these words. If you want to be like a good girl or a good boy, you should use all these magical words. What are those? Excuse me, please, thank you, and sorry. Okay, these four are the magical words you should use. Okay, now see here some ways to greet in India. Some ways to greet in India. See, this is Hindu. Hindus will say Namaste. They will join their hands and they will wish namaste. Okay, they will join two hands and they will say namaste. These are Muslims. Okay, these are Muslims. They will say assalamu alaikum. Okay, they will say assalamu alaikum. Okay, they will say assalamu alaikum. Okay, here this boy is sick. How they will wish, ma? They will wish. They will join their hands and they will wish Sat Sri Akal. Okay, Sat Sri Akal. Okay, Sat Sri Akal. They will wish like this. Okay, these are the some way of greet in India. These are the some ways. There are many ways, but we have these three. Okay, in our book we have these three. Okay, okay. Namaste, Assalamu alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Okay, okay, children. Today we have learned the good habits with Mr. Bear. Okay, hope you all understood. Okay, thank you.